Hello, amazing honey badgers. My name is Frankie Bonilla, and I love working at El Centro because it's the first place where I was introduced to project-based learning, in addition to being able to connect with my people. I seldomly get an opportunity to teach in settings where there's a large Latino population, so this is very special to me. And yep, hi! So guys, check this out. Believe it or not, the technology is so advanced right now that everything that you're seeing right now, all the little special effects and the recording has all been done on my iPhone, completely. I didn't use anything else. I didn't use an additional computer. I didn't use a desktop. I just did this completely on my iPhone. So today you're making your own video. Here's some of the requirements. 2, 3, go.
Start with an intro.
And then an outro, as you will see at the end of the video. See you later. Bye.
And 2 transitions. That's it.
Oh, hi.
Can we get some filters too?
3.
We need some music too.
And then either your voice, you directly speaking into the camera as I am now, or a voiceover with whatever images you choose to use, okay? Keep going.
Make sure your outro has all your social media links.
And finally, publish it to our new El Centro BPP YouTube channel. Everything has been shared with you also in a document. Have fun. Enjoy yourselves.
Tengo una visión y ninguna situación va a detenerme mi progreso. He fallado varias veces, aunque a veces me